name is Danette, and I'm going to give you my honest review of this Tineco Wet Dry Vacuum S5 Combo. For me, it's been a game changer. I have a toddler, I'm a stay-at-home mom, and I have a lab mix rescue, and he sheds a lot. And so I was getting so tired of stepping on food or my dog bringing in dirt and all of his hair everywhere. And I was tired of vacuuming all the time and then mopping, because mopping just takes so much time and energy. I thought there has to be a simpler solution, and I use this 2 to 3 times a day, cleaning up food off the floor or cleaning up after mud that's been brought in, and so it has been amazing. It has a function where you can take off this motor and attach it to a smaller catcher here, and it catches all the dirt and stuff, and it becomes a smaller vacuum, which is amazing because then I can use it in my car, I can use it in my son's car seat. It's very powerful, and I can clean up a lot of things very easily. And then I can take it apart, take this off, and it also comes with a stand for all the attachments, and there's just a filter that you pull out, and there's all the dirt in there that I just empty in the trash can when I'm done. And then I can just stick the attachment back on there, and it's there when I need it. And then this just sticks right back on the vacuum.
Charging has commenced.
Lets me know that it's charging again, and if I need to use it, then I pull it off and it's ready for me to go. What I love about this vacuum is right now I've got blackberries on the floor and Cheerios and some seasoning and common things that are usually on my floor, and I'm just gonna give you a taste of how it works and how well it cleans. So I'm gonna turn it on, and it automatically goes to auto clean. So it's going to sense what's on the floor and tell what power and how it's going to clean. I can also do it on max mode, which means it's just going to clean everything at a higher speed. And I'm all done. It picked up all the blackberries that were smushed on the floor, the Cheerios, and all the seasoning that was stuck to the floor. It is so simple to use. It cleaned all of that, and now I can just stick it back on the charger. It will let me know that it's charging, and then I can set it to self-cleaning mode. There's a button right on the top where it starts to clean. Sometimes if you're cleaning something very dirty, it will tell you that, hey, I need a break and I need to go clean now. So you'll have to stop, self-clean it, and then you can start again. So I'm just gonna push the self-clean button and you can hear what it sounds like.
Start self-cleaning. Clean brush roller.
Currently cleaning the roller. Now it's cleaning the channel that's back here, all the debris in it, dog hair, everything is cleaning that out.
Auto detecting. water tank.
Now it has cleaned the entire machine, and that is fantastic for me because I don't want to sit here and
Self-cleaning cycle complete. Please clean dirty water tank.
reminding me that I need to clean the dirty water tank. I don't want to sit here and take apart every single little piece and wash every little piece every time I use it. And I also don't want to let it sit and get food and, you know, let mold and bacteria grow. So this is game changer for me and has been wonderful because I just plug it in, push the button, and I walk away. I come back, you know, a little later, and I grab the dirty water tank right in front, and this comes right out. And I don't know if you can see, but it is got blackberries and Cheerios in it. The water is full and gross. And I clean out the filter, I dump this out, I clean all this out, I let it dry, and then once it's done, I just put it back. And it lets me know
Charging has commenced.
It lets me know when the dirty water tank needs cleaned. It lets me know when it needs more water. The water tank is in the back, and you just add in some tap water all the way up to about right here, and you add in like a cup of this deodorizing and cleaning solution. It does come with the mop vac, but I just bought a bigger bottle online and put a cup of that in there, and then fill up the rest with water. Stick it on the back. It'll let you know when it runs out of water. And then I also usually, once I put this guy back after I rinse him out, I take this top off and I clean off because there's an excessive amount of dog hair in there. And then I take off the brush too. It actually is barely damp and very, very clean for just having blackberries and seasoning and Cheerios and dog hair. It's amazing. And usually I just set it out, and sometimes I'll just set it out to dry. And then once in a while I'll come back and I'll clean, you know, right here and make sure it's still going good. But everything looks really clean. And now I'll show you kind of what it looks like over here and all the little different buttons. Okay, so this is the vacuum
Charging has commenced.
and all of the little buttons. So on top it shows you it's charging. I'll just kind of show you when it's on what it looks like. Put this down. You just hold your foot down to start it, to push down the foot. And I'm gonna press the power button, which is right up here. And then there's the max button. And that means the auto's on. If that little teardrop is on, that means it needs a cleaning cycle. The other one is the max mode. And that little ring, that little blue ring will turn red when you're cleaning something really dirty and it needs kind of a second to clean it up, and it's kind of cleaning the tank. That usually is right before it tells you that it kind of needs a self-cleaning mode, which is great. The roller is great. Another thing that is wonderful about this mop vac is that when you do mop corners and things like that, it does have the technology to pick up in tight corners, like along the bottom, the baseboards and whatnot, which is awesome too, so you don't have to come back and wipe down the areas that it missed. So that is really nice. So I'll just plug it back in and I'll show you kind of what it looks like.
Charging has commenced.
So it's currently at 82%. It tells me that it's charging. Here's the little organizer for all of the accessories for to make it a small vac to clean in the car and stairs and things like that. It does come with an extra roller and a cleaning brush, which is super helpful. It does come with a smaller thing of cleaning solution, but you can easily get large ones as well. So it is amazing, especially if you have kids and you want something super simple that would make your life a little easier. This has been wonderful for me and makes cleaning in my life a lot easier. So I highly recommend this, and I am just in awe that this is a product that I can use, because it definitely makes my day better. So highly recommend.